Meaning of glisten.
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 Glisten. The word glisten means to shine or sparkle with reflected light, often in a way that is bright and attractive. When something glistens, it catches and reflects light in a way that draws the eye and creates a sense of radiance and luster. This effect can be achieved by a wide range of materials, from diamonds and other gems to polished metal surfaces or even raindrops on a leaf. Overall, glisten implies a sense of brightness, clarity, and allure, making it a common descriptor in poetry, literature, and other forms of artistic expression.